Alright everyone, welcome to RMB Trade. Um, Today we'll be looking at support and resistance levels in market structure. And you have to tell also what support and resistance level is all about. So support and resistance level are terms for two respective levels on price chart that appear to limit the market's range of movement. So the support level is where the price is regularly when the price regularly stops falling and bounce back. A place where the price regularly stops falling then it bounce back. Now let's take a look at this level. Take a look at this level. You can see that when the price touch this level, it bounce back. When you touch it, it dips, then it bounce back. Now we are in a dip and getting to a better dip sheet. Alright, that about rather. So now I'm going to start with a support level and a resistance level. So yeah, let's go back in time first to determine some things. So we're going to bring out a trend line. Currently at this level, we can see that there is a form of support at around this level. That is 45,707. So I'm currently on Bitcoin daily time frame. I'm on Bitcoin daily time frame. So let me put something down. So this level becomes the support level. Yeah, so you can see this is the support level. Support in the sense that there are price actions around this level. When the price move up, come to this level, you realize that it stops falling and it moves up. You can see it around this level. Then the fact that it cannot break this level. The fact that it cannot break this level, it becomes a resistance level. So here is the resistance level in the sense that it resists the price from moving upward, then it breaks. You can see that there is a massive breakdown at around this level. Then the former support level now becomes a resistance level. So this place was formerly a support level, but now it is a resistance level. You can see that the price began to move after a big dip. It comes back, try to break above but could not, then breaks below before it begins to move up. Now here we can see that this same level becomes, and we have a resistance level at around this level. So it begins to move upward, then tries to break and come back to this level. Then after this crazy resistance, we can see that the price begins to dip further. The price begins to dip further. Now here, taking a look at this now, we can see that the former support level at around these levels now becomes our resistance level, meaning that it resists the price from moving back upward. So you can see that immediately the price action touch the level here, it comes down, now creating a form of head and shoulder pattern. So you can see this is the shoulder. Let me try to put that down without wasting out. So here is our head and shoulder pattern. You can realize that this is the head, this is the shoulder, and this is the shoulder. So assuming when the price gets to this resistance level and it bounces back to this level, then an uptrend is confirmed But currently you can see that the price cannot bounce back. The only thing the price is trying to do is to dip further. So thereby this support level, I mean this, yeah, it was, I have to clean it up, I have to clean this up. So this is a support level, but right now it becomes a resistance level. You can see that this same pattern that formed here already formed at around this level. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the first shoulder, the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder forming currently. So you see this pattern already formed at around this level. This is the head, the shoulder. Same pattern is forming at around this level, and this is the head, this is the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder. So what is the expectation? What is the next price action in the market? This, and already this support level already has become a resistant level. So I put it at RAS. So this support level already become a resistant level. Okay, let me leave it at that level and carry this on. Now, so currently, as per my own expectation, is that the price can get to this level of support, because the reason it's my level of support is that you can see a lot of price reduction at around this level. So I can take this place as my own support level. So it can get to this support level. You can see price rejections. So immediately it gets to this support level. There are two things involved. It's either it gets to this support level and it rejects and move upward, or it gets to this level and dips further. To what level? So around back to 29,000. Back to $29,000, and you can see this same thing happened here. You can see price rejection, but it eventually come down to this level, that is the level of $20,000, before it bounce back. So this same thing can happen at around this level. It may happen, and if the buyer steps in, if we have heavy buyers, then we expect the market to bounce from this level. Immediately it touch the 36,000 level, we expect it to bounce back. So these are the things currently happening in the market, and this is how support and resistance help in determine the next price actions in the market. You know, they do say, most especially in financial market, history repeats itself, and currently it is happening. And one of the reasons I basically make use of Bitcoin, I should have made use of other cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Binance Coin, but the reason I make use of Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is determinant of everything that happens in the market. So if, you know, they usually say that when Bitcoin sneezes, every other coins begin to catch cold or begin to shiver. So this is exactly what is happening. That's one of the reasons I make use of the Bitcoin this thing. And another thing is that I make use of the daily time frame, because the daily time frame is more reliable. You know, we have 15 minutes, we have the 1 hour, we have the 4 hour, we have the 6 hour time frame, we have the 12 hour time frame, different time frames. But I decided to make use of the daily time frame because it's more reliable. So I hope you guys were able to learn something from this class, and please subscribe and like our videos. This helps us to get notified by YouTube algorithm and make us grow and grow. So help us grow by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, and this will be the end of today's video.